Hey guys, just want to show you this property here. Well, not so much the property, but the garden and the views. You're gonna like this one. Let's crack on. So we're in the countryside. It's the peacefulness which I love, the tranquility, and that's the view. Don't know how you can see that. Stand on there. But she says you can see the sunset going down at night. Absolutely amazing. So this pathway here is actually quite new. It was just lawn. It's very clay soil here, but they've had all this put in, and yeah, it just sweeps round to a lovely little private garden at the back. Seating area. Hanging baskets. So a garden is what you make it. They've only been here a few years, so I'm sure in another few years this is just going to look completely different from what it does now. But what a great start. Every time I come here I feel so at ease, so at peace, and I just love it here. But I've got to go now, I've got to leave, but anyway, just like to show you these lawns and these gardens. The lawn itself, it dries out really fast, believe it or not, even though it's clay, because there's a lot of wind. It's always windy around here, and so any moisture you're giving it, it tends to blow it off, so it evaporates, so it dries out. And you can see where it's dried out a bit last year and suffered, but it'll improve. It will improve and come back. Anyway, any questions, comments, please leave them down below, and we'll see you on the next one.